Far beneath the sparkling waves of the sea, there was a colorful coral reef where tiny fish lived. They were small, no bigger than seashells, and their scales shimmered like rainbows in the sunlight. Though beautiful, they were often ignored by the larger creatures of the ocean. One of these tiny fish was named Luma. Luma was quick and clever, but she often felt too small to make a difference. The big fish swam proudly across the reef, while Luma darted quietly through the rocks. One afternoon, dark shadows passed over the reef. A giant school of hungry barracudas was coming. The reef's creatures panicked. The crabs hid under rocks. The eels slithered deep into their caves. Even the turtles tucked themselves tightly into their shells. The wise old sea turtle called a meeting. "We must protect the reef," he said. "But we are few and they are many." The dolphins tried splashing to scare the barracudas away. The octopuses squirted ink. Nothing worked. The barracudas kept coming closer, their sharp teeth flashing. Luma floated among the coral, thinking hard. "What if," she whispered, "we swim together?" She gathered the other small fish and shared her idea. At first they were unsure. How could a group of tiny fish stop something so big? But Luma was sure. "Alone we are small," she said, "but together we can be mighty." The little fish formed a giant swirling ball, swimming tightly side by side. Hundreds of tiny bodies moved as one, shimmering and flashing like a single enormous creature. When the barracudas saw the swirling, shining ball, they hesitated. To them, it looked like a huge unknown animal. Nervous and confused, the barracudas turned and swam away into the deep blue sea. Cheers bubbled up across the reef. The crabs peeked out from their rocks. The turtles uncurled and smiled. The reef was safe. The old sea turtle swam slowly to Luma and her friends. "You see," he said kindly, "one little fish is easy to overlook. But when many swim together, they can shape the ocean." That night, as the moonlight danced across the waves, Luma and her friends glided through the reef, their hearts full of pride. They had learned a lesson they would carry forever. Even the smallest voice becomes powerful when it joins many others. And from that day on, whenever danger came to the reef, it was the little fish swimming as one who led the way to safety. And that was the end of story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.